Okay, so in today's lesson, we are going to discuss one of the most important rules in derivatives, and that rule is the product rule. So here we are considering two functions, f and g, and we are considering a product of them, f times g, and we want to know how to differentiate this expression, f times g, and that can be done using this given formula. So let's see how this formula is written. So we have f times g, then the derivative of that is given by first keep f, then find the derivative of the other term, which is g prime, then multiply those two terms, then you get the first term of the derivative, f times g prime. Then the second term is made up of, you keep g, then the term left is f, you find the derivative of that term, which is f prime, and then you multiply those together. Then by adding these two terms, you get the complete expression for the product rule. This is the first form of that rule, but in practice, we use the UV form of the rule. So to write down the UV form of the rule, we just replace the function f by u and function g by v. Then the formula turns into this form, the second form. Derivative of this product u times v is given by u times v prime plus v times u prime. So this second formula is the one we will use in questions because it's easier to remember. Okay, so let me do a simple example to show you guys how to use the product rule. Okay, so we have this question. Find the derivative of this given function f. So you can see this function is made up of two terms or two separate functions. This part 2 times x to the fifth times 3 times x to the 7th. So this is a product. So when we have a product, first thing you need to do is identify the two terms of that product. So here the product is made up of 2 to the x, 2 times x to the fifth and 3 times x to the 7th. So I think of 2 times x to the fifth as my u and 3 times x to the 7th as my v term. So my product is made up of these two terms, u, which is the first part of the product, and v is the second part of that product. So once we decide what is u and what is v, the next thing to do is find the derivatives of those two terms, u and v, which are u prime and v prime. So here u prime can be found using the power rule. You have x to the fifth, so you just bring 5 down the exponent and subtract 1 from that exponent. And similar for the v prime. There's a power, so you need to use the power rule. So you bring down the exponent 7 and subtract 1 from that exponent. So here we can simplify this. 2 times 5 becomes 10. And this exponent becomes 4. And here 3 times 7 is 21. And the exponent turns into 6. So when you are trying to apply the product rule, the first thing you need to do is decide u and v, then find u prime, v prime. Once we have these four terms, u, v, u prime, v prime, we can use those four terms in the product rule and find the correct answer. So let's recall the product rule. So the product rule says the derivative of a product is given by u times v prime plus v times u prime. So you can see that we need u, v prime and v, u prime. And here we found all those terms. So this first term u times v prime can be found by multiplying these two terms. We know u is 2 times x to the fifth times v prime, which is 21 times x to the sixth. Then the second term is made up of v times u prime. So you need to multiply those two terms, v and u prime. So for example, here v is 3 times x to the 7th and u prime is 10 times x to the 4th. So then just simplify this and you get the final answer. So you have 2 times 21 is 42 and x to the 5th times x to the 6th is x to the 11. And similarly simplify the second term, 3 times 10 30, x to the 7th times x to the 4th is x to the 11. Then add them together and you have the final answer. So this is a very simple example on how to use the product rule. So let me go through those steps again. So first thing is look at the product. Decide what you are going to make u and what is going to be v. So here normally the first part of the product is u and the second part of the product is v. Once you decide that, you need to find the derivatives of those two terms, u prime, v prime. Once we have all four terms, we can plug those four terms into the formula and get the correct answer. Okay. So we will do more harder examples when we introduce the chain rule and other rules such as the trig rules. Once we introduce these rules, we can do hard examples of product rule questions. Okay. So for today, I'm going to stop here.